This is purple broccoli. It is grown from seed and growing in a grow bag. This is another grow bag made from geotextile. A celery plant grows in it very happily. It sits in a saucer of water and the plants air prune themselves. This is a perennial basil with some cuttings growing nearby. When growing perennial basil, you must keep it contained. This purple broccoli grew from seed. The bees love the flowers. Red cos lettuce is growing along nicely, grown from seed from the plants that I grew a couple of years ago. Parsley, orange-stemmed rainbow chard, and red-veined sorrel grow happily, along with black radish. The leaves of all these plants are very nutritious. Calendula plants are very good to grow in the veggie garden. They are a great companion plant, also a medicinal herbal plant.